Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn off video chat with friends on Bigo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Bigo Live app and log into your account. Next, you want to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. And then once you click on that, you see all these options right here at the top right corner. You find the settings icon. Click on that one. All right, so from here we have to go to our privacy, so click on privacy, and then just scroll down, and you find these turn off video chat with friends. So go ahead and click on that to turn off. Right, so once it's turned off like this, you won't be able to receive video chat with your friends. Right, so this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.